Hi everyone, it's Dr. Leo here. So today we're going to go over shoulder roll exercise. This is good for posture and correcting that scapular position. So how we're going to set this up is find a mirror and bring the shoulders up, straight back, and straight down. And you can do a chin tuck as well. So when we do the side position, do one more time. Shoulders up, shoulders back, straight down, neck, bring it tight. You can hold this position 3 seconds and relax. It will be beneficial if you find a mirror for immediate feedback or ask somebody to watch from the side as well. Okay. Ideally, you can repeat this process for 10 times to 12 times and then 3 seconds hold at that position. Okay. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will answer for you.